So giving you a view of exactly what is happening on the uphill of the landslide. Now you can see below down there, vehicles are passing through the landslide area. From here till the highway, I think it will be around 50 meters from here. And then this all this earth have been washed down from uphill and then they come down. Now we will not be going up to the top, but I'll just give you a picture of what is happening here. So now the mudslide, it has like created a river, more or less like a river, and then it has come down. Still, even the condition of this mud are still not stable. See, you can see there are waters on top of this mud, which means that it is still very wet underneath. And just in case if there is rain, with this mud might slide down again, because these are still not stable and it's very loose. So we never know what may happen if we receive rain again. So elderly people, they usually say that until Durga Puja, we all know the Puja, until Durga Puja there's always rain. Only after once the Durga Puja is over, then the rain will subside or the rain will stop. That's what usually the older people usually say. So we still have a month to go for Durga Puja. Now it's only September, and then the Durga Puja happens in October. See, all these trees are also been washed down along with the mud. From here now you can't see the highway. We are coming towards the starting point of the landslide. See, you can see the remains of those pipes that they has used in order to let the water pass through different route. They made dividers for water so that water does not come to this area, because if the water comes to the loose soil on this area, then we can witness another problem. So they have diverted this route, the water, and then it's been sent to another route from here, diverted to a small stream. Still up there you can see, but we won't be going till there because still it's a long way to go. We will not be able to reach the top. It's far from here. See, all this earth has been washed down. Even the tree is washed down and then still is standing. See, still there are waters on top of this mud. You can see the excavator from here, but you can't see the road. So now we'll go back to the highway and then I'll give you a more detailed information about the highway. So now I am at the landslide area that has happened near the hydro bridge, and then the companies are also trying to remove the earth that has, or the soil, the mud that has come down from the area from this side. They are trying to clear the area so that they can let the vehicle pass through maybe 2 lanes, so there will be no obstruction of traffic, and then the people or the travelers can travel smoothly. So here we can see there is only one machinery at this area as of now, and then he is loading the trucks. The machinery is loading the truck, and then the trucks are carrying the mud and then dumping it at Zubza, that is below the highway. Don't see much traffic. The vehicle maybe has to stop for 5 to 10 minutes in order to load the trucks, and then the trucks, once the truck goes, then they are allowing the vehicle to pass through. So there is one empty truck coming. He will come in reverse, and then he will get loaded by this excavator and then go and dump at the dumping area. Now we see an ambulance that is coming, but here the truck is, I don't know, maybe he's trying to make way for the ambulance to pass. You can hear the siren. There is this ambulance, but here the excavator and the truck is loading. So finally the traffic has come and then has removed the truck. So they are making way for the ambulance to pass. So the ambulance was able to make through the landslide area. It is passing, going on its way. So there is a pickup that has overtook some vehicles and then trying to pass through. Now he has to reverse his vehicle. Luckily this time for them to move out. Sometimes we all need patience, even as a driver or even as a traveler. I think we need a little bit of patience because the condition is not stable, as we already know, and then if we try to hurry, we may create problem. So we all need to be a little more patient, and this could be the reason we may face which we can avoid if we're a little bit patient. Then we'll be able to avoid any problem.